Hello everyone and welcome to today's online class for class 12. Oxidation of the alcohol depends on the degree of the alcohol that we are doing the oxidation with. If we take 1 degree of primary alcohol, let's say this one, and we subject it to this thing with K2Cr2O7, H2SO4 or KMnO4 OH minus, a very strong oxidizing agent, any of them can be used. In that case, RCHO aldehyde will be formed, and spontaneously this aldehyde will then form the carboxylic acid. So when the 1 degree alcohol is subjected to oxidation with the strong oxidizing agent, carboxylic acid will be the resultant product via the formation of an aldehyde product. But as aldehyde itself is a very prone to oxidation, it will further oxidize in the reaction medium spontaneously, and the end product will be the carboxylic acid. When a 2 degree alcohol, let's take this 2 degree alcohol is subjected to oxidation in the same reagent. In that case, this 2 degree alcohol first will produce this ketone compound, and this ketone then will have a fragmentation in the presence of this strong oxidizing agent, and these two fragments individually will produce carboxylic acid. This is a 2 degree alcohol. What will happen in the case of degree alcohol? When 3 degree alcohol is subjected to oxidation with the same strong oxidizing agent, alkene will be formed initially. That alkene will then have further oxidation in this manner, in the first producing an ketone and CO2 and H2O. This ketone then in the further case will be oxidized in this strong oxidizing reagent as OH and further CH3 and CO2 and H2. So this is the reactions of different alcohol when they are subjected to strong oxidizing agent, and they produces this kind of carboxylic acid in this manner. Phenol is orthopara orienting with respect to electrophile. Let's see how. This is phenol, and the resonating structure of phenol are this. Therefore, in the phenol, these three portion, 2 ortho portion and 2 ortho portion and one para portion is comparatively electron richer. As a result, phenol is ortho-para orienting with respect to electrophile. Like when phenol is subjected to concentrated HNO3, dilute HNO3, concentrated HNO3 cannot be used. The nitric mixture concentrated HNO3 and H2SO4 cannot be used during the nitration of phenol because this thing oxidize the phenol into this thing oxidize the entire phenol compound. As a result, this desired reaction doesn't happen. That's why instead of concentrated HNO3 H2SO4 we are using dilute HNO3 and thus produces orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol. The mixture of these two compounds is produced. But if we want to produce paranitrophenol in a predominant amount, in that case, if phenol is subjected to NaNO2HCl, dilute HCl at 0 degree to 5 degree Celsius temperature, this nitrosophenol compound is produced. When this nitrosophenol compound is subjected to dilute HNO3, this thing oxidizes to produce paranitrophenol. Thus, you can produce paranitrophenol in the as a predominantly only product. But when we are doing nitration of phenol with the help of dilute HNO3, in that case, mixture of nitrophenol is produced as orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol. Sulfonation of phenol can be done in two different temperatures and thus two different product is formed in a predominant amount. When phenol is subjected to sulfonation at higher temperature, parasulfonated product is formed in the predominant amount. But when it is subjected to sulfonation at lower temperature, then orthosulfonated product is formed in the predominant amount. But this orthosulfonated product is transformed to para if the temperature is increased. If it is keep on heating, then it is again transformed into this parasulfonated product. That's how sulfonation of phenol is done at two different temperatures. When phenol is subjected to Fehrenkraft reaction, mixture of product is formed. Phenol, let's take it is reacting with methyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Mixture of product is formed. Orthohydroxytoluene and parahydroxytoluene is formed. And para is the major amount that is formed compared to the ortho product. Now, how this is formed? The mechanism is that CH3 plus AlCl3, AlCl4. AlCl3 is a Lewis acid. Is take up the chloride ion in the to form AlCl4 minus, and this carbocation is formed. This carbocation is the active reagent that take part in the reaction. And that is how this product, ortho product, is formed via this mechanism. This is known as Friedel-Crafts alkylation of phenol.